Yesterday, it legalized industrial hemp.
It's a significant boost for the industry.
Projected to grow to up to $22 billion.
Okay, so unless you've been living under a rock, you know that one of the most important advancements in health and wellness is a plant called hemp. Featured in virtually every major magazine, hemp is everywhere. And while it may seem new, the fact is it's been used in traditional medicine for well over 3,000 years. But now, thanks to modern science and a literal act of Congress, hemp has evolved. Ever feel kind of down, achy, and just out of balance? It's not in your head. It's your body's endocannabinoid system, also called ECS. It was only discovered in 1992. It impacts everything from mood to memory, from energy to better sleep, from faster recovery to less pain. In fact, it's called the master regulator of the body. And what feeds the ECS? Makes it work? Cannabinoids, the compounds found in hemp. And while hundreds of manufacturers and marketers are trying to cash in on this new market, only one company has taken it to the next level. That company is Evolv. By combining the natural power of one plant, hemp, with a proprietary extract of another plant, aloe, they've created a patent-pending product that's truly in a league of its own. Completely unique and completely different. Here's the scoop. There have been 4 stages of progress. The first stage was isolate, where companies took the raw hemp material and boil it down to just one cannabinoid, CBD. But here's the thing. Scientists soon figured out that by using all of the hemp plant's good stuff, not just CBD, you achieved better results. This was stage 2, the Entourage Effect, a huge step forward. But those full-spectrum products still had traces of THC, you know, the ingredient that gets you high and can make you fail a drug test. So along comes stage 3, broad spectrum. Keep all the good stuff in hemp and take out 100% of the THC. And now, stage 4, the latest and greatest. You see, we nano-sized all the good stuff from hemp, threw out the THC, and added a proprietary blend of more terpenes. And then supercharged it with nature's most powerful aloe molecule, Acemannan. And as they say, more is better. Even better, we made the patent-pending blend water-compatible so you can even add it to your favorite drink. And we're talking dramatically better, so much so it was trademarked with the name Entourage Squared. Powerful, organic, and it's patent-pending. Look, this product is different. Entourage Squared takes the power of premium organic hemp oil and multiplies its potential. But you can't find it in any store. Entourage Squared is only available through Evolv's network of social business partners and affiliates. So, if you're interested in getting the maximum benefits of hemp, then you owe it to yourself to try the best and feel better faster. This is Hemp Evolv. Produced by nature, formulated by science. What are you waiting for? Order your first bottle today.